Assalamualaikum. Uh, hey students, how are you? How's your holiday? Well, in this video, I want to give you an assignment to learn about what is ratio. Okay, this is one of the material in mathematics that we are going to learn for the next semester. Okay. Well, before I ask you to do it, first I'm gonna explain you a little bit what is ratio. So in bahasa, we say ratio is perbandingan. Well, in primary school, we have learned how to solve problem involving the ratios. We shall have a quick revision. Let me tell you, a ratio is used to compare two or more quantities of the same kind which are measured in the same unit. For example, the ratio of A is to B, okay, where are A and B represent of two quantities of the same kind, which is B is not equal to 0, again written as, okay, the ratio of A is to B. It's simple, right? So this is it. I'm gonna give you one example. For example, there are 17 boys and 19 girls in the class. Find the ratio of the first, the number of boys to the number of girls, and then number 2, the number of girls to the number of boys. Okay, well, the solution is, it's very simple. Just we, for example, we use the, what is it, we use the variable A as the boys, so we can write here A is 17, okay, and then B is 19. So the ratio of A is to B, you can write 17 is to 19. Well, let's move to the second example. Here is it. See it, right? So for this example, let's say it's what is it? Okay, it's 23 and 46. Well, first question. Well, usually after you learn about the first questions, then you can just write down the answer. So what is the answer? It's simple. It's just 23 to 46, right? Well, when we when we talk about ratio, you're gonna need to know too about the equivalent ratios. So what is this equivalent ratios? Well, in primary school we have learned about the fraction, right? I hope you still remember this. 1/2. And I hope you still remember about the equivalent fractions. So when you want to let me give you example, 3/9. If you want to find the equivalent of this fraction, two ways you can do. The first, you're gonna divide the fraction 3 and 9 by the same number. Let's say you want to divide 3 and 9, we're gonna divide it by using the common factor, right? So it's divided by 3, and this one divided by 3. So it's equal to 1 over 3. Or you can multiply by the same number. For example, you multiply by 2, and then here you multiply by 2. So the result will be 6 over 18. That's it. This is what we call the equivalent fraction. So what about the equivalent ratios? It has the same concept. Okay, we're gonna use multiply and divide it to find the equivalent of the ratios. So as I write before, 23 to 46. If you want to find the equivalent ratios, well, simply you're gonna need to change this form into a fraction, okay, to make it easier, okay, like this. And then note this one, okay. How to say? The point is, if you want to find the equivalent ratios, you're gonna need to just divide it by the common factor, okay. So what I mean here is you're gonna need to find the equivalent ratios with the lower number, okay. So if you want to find, if you see 23 and 46, the common factor is you can divide 23 by 23, and then 46, if you divide it by 23, it's equal to, okay, let's see what we divided 23 by 23 and divided 46 by 23, and then it's equal to 1 over 2. So this is the lower equivalent ratio. So if you find out that 1 over 2 is the lowest, and then you can change it back to its form. So it's equal to 1 ratio 1 to 2. Okay, so the equivalent ratio of 23 to 46 is 1 to 2. Simple, right? So this is your answer. And then now I hope you understand it now, and I'm gonna give you an assignment. Okay, it's more like a question, so this is it. This is your question. Okay, I want you to answer this question and then post it in your Schoology account, and then we will discuss it as soon as possible. Oh, so that's it. Thank you very much, and then I hope you enjoy your holiday, students, and see you on the next video. So